This is a butcher bird. I'm handheld on high zoom, so I can't hold it too steady, but on top of my bean poles, there's a butcher bird. Haven't seen him for quite some time. Don't know where he's been, but chickens must be slim, he's back. That other birds you can hear calling in the background, that's Willie Wagtail. There you go, look at that. He's not happy about Butchie being here. Wowee. Oh, Willie's not happy. Wish I could get a good shot of his beak. It's got a curved hook on the end of it. Amazing. Oops. Actually, I'm not too sure if this is the same butcher bird that used to call around before or not. Seems to have a bit more grey. And the hook on the end of his beak is not as pronounced. I think this is only a young one. Not happy. Oh dear, we're all upset. I just chucked down a little bit of meat. Oh yeah, you've got a hook, look. I better walk away. Wasn't to it, I think. There's Willie over there, see? He's not impressed. He's on my other pole. Oh dear. Oops, go on. I just touched a little bit of meat in the bin there. Look at that. Look, he's got it. Whoop. Too quick for me. Oh well.
Did you get some meat?
See ya.